This is part 2 of our video on our lab for doing vector addition. And let's just recap what we've done so far. We've got a calculated value for our C prime to be 6.3 newtons, angle B 28 degrees. And the graphic C prime 6.1 newtons, and angle B is 29 degrees. So our job now to take this vector here and reflect it into our parallelogram. So here we go. I'm going to start here, and we're going to reflect it in. We got to make that parallel to it. Okay, now let me take this and move it up right there. And let's try one more time. All I'm trying to do is take this line and extend it this way. Let's see what that looks like now. Yeah, that looks pretty reasonable. So imagine me just taking this line and extending it all the way out this way into. So this line is one complete straight line. I just want to see, how does vector C fit inside this parallelogram? I'm now going to make a measurement. And it's going to start from here and go there. This is our angle B. So we're going to call this one C double prime. And this is also a graphic measurement. Okay, C double prime is going to equal 6.0 newtons, since we're just reflecting this one. We're going to call this angle B one more time. And that angle B, we remeasure it. Let's say this time it comes out to be 30 degrees. It's just a little, maybe 1 degree off. We do expect just a little bit of error, okay, in that measurement. Now, we just need to call our angles the proper thing. What do we call that right there? Point P. Then this is really angle APC prime. So this diagonal is called C prime. The original vector is called C. The reflected vector is called C double prime. So just to help you understand all the different names of that. So this is actually angle APC prime. This one here is also angle APC prime. One found by graphic means, one found by calculation means. Then this angle B is actually called angle APC double prime. That's also found by graphic means. So last thing we really need to do then is fill into our data chart here. Okay, first of all, we have the graphic measurement of C prime. That was 6.1 newtons. Angle APC prime then is 29 degrees. C double prime is 6.0 newtons. And APC double prime was 30 degrees. Now we'll record the calculated means in there. The calculated value was 6.3 newtons. And the calculated value for the angle was 28 degrees. And now to find our errors, we're going to take these values and subtract it from these in order to find our errors. Okay, well, the error in C prime is 6.1, and that would be, minus 6.3. So that's going to be a negative 0.2 newtons. The error in C double prime will be 6.0 minus 6.3, or minus 0.3 newtons. Now what about the error in angle APC prime? Well, it'll be 29 minus 28 degrees. That's going to be a 1 degree error. And then what about APC double prime? That'll be 30 degrees minus 28 degrees, which will be 2 degrees. And that's how we find our data chart for that lab. And then you can answer the conclusions that follow. Okay, and notice we've probably got 1 or 2 significant digits only, and that's totally fine for this lab.